Hey everybody, we're going to be taking apart a rear right door panel on a 2015 Q5. We'll start by pulling this wood trim off. Okay, once you pry it up, you have to pull it back. These clips. Then you have two T25 Twerks. You don't have to pull them out, but especially that one is just make sure it's unscrewed fully, because we had an issue where you just thought it's unscrewed but it's not. And then you had two more left. So one was in the bottom right here, it's a T25 Twerks, and then one right here on the bottom. We already took these off, so total 4 T25 Twerks. Okay, once you pop out the clips on the back, we tried to pull it, but it seemed like something in this area was holding it, so we thought there was like a hidden screw somewhere in this area, because it would not move. What you gotta do is pull up the door panel and just yank it off. That's the only way we found how to do it. And right now it's already off, so it's a lot easier. And I'll show you what's going on right there. You have to slide out that red pin, the lock, first. Okay, so this was holding it pretty tight, so we thought it was a screw, but it's not. It's this type of a clip, I'm not sure what it's called. And it sits in this little bracket right there. It's kind of tough, so I'm not sure if you pull it off or lift it up, but we end up pulling it off.